Hi friends, you need a perfect website for your business, and a perfect website can be made with a wisely chosen WordPress theme. WP Themes channel brings all the great hand-picked and well-tested WordPress themes, plugin and utilities for you. And here, if you want to create a creative website for your agency or business or services, this video is exactly for you. In this video I have Leverage WordPress theme, and it is a wonderful agency Elementor WordPress theme. So this theme is a creative theme and it is well suited for agency and business and portfolio websites. So you can have this theme for your upcoming website project, and this theme has been developed by Codings Dev. They are elite authors, and the theme came into existence in last year only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So this theme is built with Elementor. Leverage is a premium responsive WordPress theme, and it is ideal for creative agency, digital agency, web designer, branding, photography, and even WooCommerce. So this theme is compatible with Elementor, Elementor Pro and WordPress latest version. So you have each and everything technically available with this theme. And if we talk about the demo website, this is 1, 2 and 3. So there are many demo websites available. Pre-made websites are available for you, and you can choose any as per your requirement and choice. So I'm going to add a link of our website where you can explore all the things along with the theme, hosting and the demo website options. So all is here in the description. Just follow the link. And in this video we are going to overview the complete features of Leverage WordPress theme, and for this we are going to install Leverage theme along with the demo website, and we will preview the theme options, basic customization options, so that you may understand the complete feature and take a wonderful decision for taking this theme. And it is really important to watch this video until end, as you never know the theme you are going to choose bringing what features for you, and in future what you can do with this particular theme. So just spend this around half hour this video is going to be, and you can take a wise decision to after understanding the complete features. So let us begin the installation. I have a first installation of WordPress that is running 2021 WordPress theme by default, and I got the theme pack. And the theme pack I have demo data. It is available in all versions, so we can choose the demo data. XML files are here, Elementor and classic demos in the form of, so we can use these data for our manual import process. And documentation is here, licensing and plugins. Some plugins has been supplied, advanced custom field pro has been given, Elementor market, leverage extra, and one-click demo import is also here. This is main theme file, and child theme file is also has been bundled in the theme pack itself. So we are going to use these files for our installation purpose. To begin the installation, we have to be in the theme section of WordPress. I believe you have already installed the WordPress core and a suitable hosting plan with you on your domain. And if you have yet not taken these all components for your website, you may follow the link and you can get a ready-made website along with the demo content, and just start putting your data on that. And so link is in the description, and here we are going to install the theme. And we are in the theme section of WordPress. Click on add new now, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose leverage.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, I mean on the file manager or FTP, so you can upload this file directly to WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size in fact. So The theme file size is just 6.35 MB and it is very lightweight theme, and this is why it is going to work very fast on the website as well. So you can see the speed, it is really amazing and super lightning speed. And okay, so once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this leverage folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files are here. So now we can delete the zip one, it is not required, it is just consuming the server space. And we can come back to the themes screen, and we have now leverage as another theme option along with the default theme. And let us check the details. This is Leverage version 2.1.5. Leverage is an authentic, innovative WordPress theme built to the smallest detail with a focus on usability and performance. Okay, so we can activate it, and upon activation it is saying we need to have certain plugins, we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete features of the theme. And it is really wonderful that this theme is very less dependent on external or multiple plugins, and it is just asking for some very important plugin. Leverage Extra has been developed by the original theme developer itself, and ACF Pro is here, Advanced Custom field, and Advanced Custom field is here. And one-click demo import is of course for single time use, and you can even skip to install in watermark it is not required. So however, it has been marked as required. So we are going to install all these plugin in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid any error during the installation process. And you can see and the beauty of our hosting that we are using and providing you as well. So all the plugins got installed within seconds. So just return back to the plugin installer screen, and now it is time to activate all the installed plugins, and that also can be done in a single click. Okay, so we have installed and activated all set of plugins along with the theme, and it is saying that the plugin ACF and font awesome has detected an error while retrieving font awesome. This may be due to temporary CDN downtime, however problem persists. Okay, so it is not actually okay, so it is not a problem itself. So and Leverage Extra Elementor website builder plugin to be installed, and we need to install Elementor in fact. So it has not been provided, so we can install simply. So activate the plugin. Okay, so it is now fine, and we have now all set of plugins, and now it is time to take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins. And of course it is without any content, or this is time to import the demo content at our website and to target a website like any of these. So we have multiple choices as I shown you in the beginning of this video, and I will find the option to import the demo import at this stage to complete our installation, and after that I'll show you what theme options we have received in this installation and what actually you can do with the settings and how you can customize your website further. So okay, so let us find the importer, and it is available under appearance section. Import demo data is here. It is very simple. So even a non-technical person can install or start a website in fact. So we have all the choices here, and you can choose any as per your requirement. So there are 20 pre-made websites available, and it is really great. All are creative and all are really awesome. So it has been made with due intelligence and care, and creativity is showing the impact. Okay, so I'm going to choose the very first one, and you can choose as per your requirement. So I'm importing the demo for the first one, and it is saying okay, so all the required fields, all the required things has already been selected, and we have nothing to do on this screen. We can continue and import. And okay, so importing content and import process has begun. So at this screen we have to wait with our due patience, because it is going to connect to the developer server for importing the media items and rest of important files. So don't hit the back button, don't refresh the page while you can. Okay, so import is complete. It is very simple, and some errors are here. So some media files has been skipped, but it does not matter because okay, about leverage featured. So just in case if we feel that we need to have these media files, so we can download from directly from their demo website. And now we can take a look at our website, and I believe it should work, and it is okay. So it is here, and the complete website is here, and we got the complete website. In fact, it doesn't matter what media files was missing in the demo import, and complete things are here, and it is really good. So it goes without saying, it is really wonderful website, and this can be used for landing page website as well. So I can see this is a high converting landing page website, and this is of course a complete website. So let us see the inner pages, and we have all the inner pages as well, and this is all these pages are really very creative, and you can see the quality of design is really very good, and it should be applicable for all the demo. And I believe so you are going to make a wonderful website using the Leverage WordPress theme. So it is really a creative website theme. So we can conclude that this is a wonderful theme, and yes, it can be selected for our upcoming website project for agency, business, or multi-purpose uses. Okay, so now it is time to show you what additional things we have got in this installation. And I can see the portfolio is the very first thing that is additional in addition to WordPress, and these are the portfolios. You can always add new portfolio and even edit the existing one. I'll show you how it looks. And this is a portfolio item, and you can choose to edit or you can add new portfolio items. So it is very simple, and I don't need to show you. However, I am opening the page, so it should work with the Elementor, and it is very simple. So you can use the Elementor editor as well. So you need to activate the Elementor for portfolio, and it can be simply done in the role manager in the Elementor option. And if you want to activate the Elementor for portfolio, it can be done simply. So okay, and I'll show you the settings first. So this can be activated on portfolio and save changes. And it's pretty simple, and portfolio should open with Elementor now. So this is with edit with Elementor option is available now. So it is so simple, but yes, you should know this, because without doing this you cannot edit with Elementor. So editing with Elementor is always been simple as working on the Word file. So it is so simple. Just click on the pencil icon for the area which you want to edit, and everything will be available in the left panel itself, and you can edit the content. Okay, so it is great. So next I'll show you what is next here. So I shown you the portfolio. Media is here, so we can check the media library as well. So this is also in addition to the WordPress. Okay, so no, sorry, this is common media. And appearance is here, theme settings is here. So I'll directly show you the theme options, because nothing is additional. Rest things are as common as in WordPress. So this is being the theme setting. You can say theme options. So this is logo, site title, and you can change the logo and site title from customize options. So it is here, and logo can be uploaded from here. So we make sure that you use the customize option for logo, site title, and tagline. For rest of things, okay, so rest of things, branding and typography can be changed from here. Okay, so these are the font controls and the font options. Design and color can be changed. Okay, so it is great that we have all the choices of color, and we can change the color of any area, and there are on the settings also available. So I'm just giving you the glimpse of the options. However, you can explore more how to use these features, and header and menu is here. So some options like search button, social networks, call to action. So it is very interactive panel. So it is social networks, call to action. Okay, it is wonderful. And like you can change the contact us text from here, and label and line icon, awesome icon, line icon, rocket. Okay, very good. Footer section. So for footer section there are multiple options as well. So like copyright content can be changed from here, mobile phone number and external links are here, news sections. So all control are really great, and it is very interactive panel. So I have rarely seen such a advanced and easy to use panel. So this is subscription form, contact form, custom feature. Okay, design and color, layout, heading and content. Widget builder is also here. It is also great. So you can use this just in case if you want. Okay, so this is for, it has been used for testimonials like things. Okay, and general setting is also here. So preloader, blog grid, single post, and okay, reCAPTCHA can also be. Advanced setting is giving us some privilege to add CSS and JavaScript. So all settings are wonderful and all are useful, and it is very interactive panel. So I believe I have shown you each and everything about the Leverage WordPress theme and its options, and you can simply use this theme for your upcoming website project. And I believe you know how to edit the page contents with Elementor. Just open the page that you want to edit and click on edit with Elementor. You will be able to edit the page content as well. So it is pretty simple. And if in spite of this, if you are having any question regarding this theme, so you can simply ask in the comment section of this video, or follow the link given in the description to get in touch directly with me. I will try my level best to answer your queries and help you out in installing and completing your website. So I believe you are going to make a suitable website for you using the Leverage WordPress theme, and your business is going to be successful with this theme. And we are going to meet in another video. I believe you are a subscriber of this channel. If not, please do subscribe this channel, because your appreciation helps us to grow, and I'm going to bring wonderful WordPress theme utilities and plugin for you. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep building.